Hi everyone, this is Alex from ZenML. I wanted to talk to you about a new feature we have as part of our dashboard. Maybe you haven't seen it, we didn't announce it particularly far and wide. So this is the ability to create register stack components as well as stacks from the dashboard itself instead of the CLI. Now I'm sure many of you are used to the ZenML orchestrator register and so on command that you do on the CLI. Well, actually, now you can do this in the dashboard as well, and there's some benefits for it. And also, perhaps you have people in your team who just aren't as comfortable with using the terminal as they are with a web UI. So you click on here in the bottom right-hand corner, you can click Register Component. You can click between and choose between the different flavors. So here we're registering a new orchestrator. Let's go for a SageMaker orchestrator. It shows the API docs as a reference. While you're filling out the information about it. So here, my Sage orchestrator. Let's share it with the component, with the public. The rest we can leave as default. And actually here, you pass in an execution role, some kind of ARN. But we're just going to leave it for the purposes of this demonstration. Click Register Component, and here is the SageMaker orchestrator with all of the configuration along with our normal default orchestrator. Let's say we wanted to add a Slack alerter. Again, we get the API docs. And we have our Slack token. And then we register this component. So we've got our new components, and then we can compose this together as part of a stack. So you click Register Stack, New Stack. You pick your components, you pick my SageMaker orchestrator, you pick your artifact store, you pick your particular alerter, click Register Stack, and here is your stack with the different components. And of course, if we go back into the CLI, we can we're connected to the same server instance, and then we can list out the stack. And here you see the best stack with our SageMaker orchestrator and the Slack alerter. So this is just a small little functionality which is part of the dashboard now, and there'll be more coming to that in the future, but probably good for you to know. Okay, have a good day.